severe thunderstorm warning for central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Myerstown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Laurelville, Wilmenforth, Topton, Robisonia, Leesport, Makersville, Brimville, Williams, Stroudstown, Leonardville, Fairview Heights, and Centerport. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania,